after 4 days, after about 4 days, this is what she looking like. Both of these, they were filled. I filled them up about 4 days ago, and this is where we at now. Just doing a quick to show you guys. Just forgot what box went to what. Okay. Show you guys, man, if you're out here doing vending machines, focus on your customers. We love serving our customers to the point where we give away free items, we give away money in our snack machines and our soda machines, but we just enjoy serving God's other children, and we run our business off biblical principles, guys. So if you're out here serving people, please enjoy what you're doing and do your best to build your wealth on top of serving. Build your wealth while you serve other people, because if you make yourself a necessity in other people's lives, I guarantee you they'll pay you for it. All right, guys.